And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Away from Lake Michigan, where temperatures were mainly in the 40s and 50s today, we saw our warmest temperatures in about a week, with highs in the 60s and 70s. It is going to cool down a little bit tomorrow and on Friday, but then we've got a nice warm-up headed our way for this upcoming weekend. On Saturday, I'm forecasting 80. We'll see lower to mid-70s on Sunday, and then it looks like 60s for Memorial Day. Currently, temperatures across northeast Wisconsin range from the upper 40s in Sister Bay to around 80 in Wapaka and Fond du Lac. It's currently 77 in Oshkosh. We have a southeast wind flow coming in off the lake, and that is keeping it cooler here north and east of the Fox Cities, where temperatures away from the water are mainly in the 50s and 60s. Right now in the valley, we've got a mixture of clouds and sunshine. The temperature is 70 degrees. In Green Bay, it is mostly sunny and 68. The winds are much lighter than what we saw earlier today, and especially last night. We had an area of very strong winds move across east central Wisconsin during the early morning hours. We had a peak wind gust of 54 miles per hour in Green Bay, 46 miles per hour in Fond du Lac, and of course we did have some tree damage and some power outages. That wind was kicked off by an area of rain showers moving through. Those rain showers, along with evaporational cooling, tapped into some stronger winds aloft and brought them down to the surface. Very difficult to predict a couple of hours in advance, but we did see those gusty winds move across the viewing area earlier today. The winds were still breezy this morning, but now they're dying down. We've got a mixture of clouds and sunshine. You can see the warm front that is steadily moving north here across the viewing area, lining up from western Sheboygan County right up into southwestern Shawano County, and that's where we've seen a couple of thunderstorms pop up within the last hour or so. These thunderstorms right now producing some brief heavy rain and some cloud-to-ground lightning. Now, as we head deeper into the evening, there is a marginal threat for severe weather across most of the viewing area, and that simply means that one or two storms could be on the strong to severe side, but if they do reach that level, all types of severe weather will be possible. Damaging winds, hail, there's even a chance for an isolated tornado. So this is something I'm going to be watching very closely as we head through the evening hours. High-res future radar shows those isolated or scattered showers and thunderstorms popping up here during the rest of the evening and then pushing off to the north and east. This is where high-res future radar has them, but they could be farther south and east as we progress through the evening. It looks like the main batch of showers and thunderstorms with our weather maker will develop farther off to the east later on tonight. And our main weather maker is an area of low pressure located across northwestern Minnesota. Behind it, we've got high pressure building in across Nebraska, and that area of high pressure is going to build in here later on tonight, and it will be our main weather maker for tomorrow, which means lots of sunshine as we move into the afternoon. And with a gusty west to northwest wind, we're going to see temperatures everywhere in the upper 60s to lower 70s, and that's where we should be for this time of year. So tonight, a chance for an evening storm and then variable cloudiness. Overnight lows will be in the lower to mid 50s. Tomorrow, sun and clouds and windy upper 60s to lower 70s. Another storm moves over the state on Friday with easterly winds, clouds, and some rain. Temperatures will only be in the upper 50s to lower 60s, but we warm up nicely on Saturday. It looks like lower 80s, lower to mid 70s on Sunday. Chance for some showers and thunderstorms on Memorial Day as another system moves in. A better chance for some rain on Tuesday, and that could linger into Wednesday. So, Regina, I will be watching the radars throughout the evening, and I'll break in if necessary.
But Saturday.
Yeah, all eyes on
Saturday.
Saturday and Sunday both look great at this point.